Welcome to the special class of class 9. This is a special class. Why? Because it is going through the online. We are not able to meet in the school. You will see that one in your WhatsApp group. I have sent one audio. This is the demonstration of that particular audio clip. What we are going to do? We are going to start with the Python and how to write the code and how to work with the Python. I am going to discuss in this session. Now, for that, already in the audio clip I have said that you have to download the Python 3.7. It is a freeware and you will get from the internet and install it. Now here in the run, if you type Python, then the Python ideally will going to become and you are going to use that one. Now how to write the code of the Python I am going to discuss with you. This is the Python IDLE. This is the editor where we are going to write the Python codes. I have changed the background and the front, but by default it will be white and black. Now regarding the variable discussion, already I have told in the audio clip that here you don't have to add the data type. So this is a variable, I have write that one, is equal to. Then this is a special syntax. Why this is a special syntax? Because actually the input function is going to take the input from the user, but it will take the input as a character or the string, but we want to give an input of the input as an number. So what we are going to do? We are going to use another function. This is the function int, another function int. Inside the int we are going to write the input functions and we are going to close the two braces. Then what will going to be happen? Input, whatever the input has been taken by the input function, it is going to be converted. It is going to be converted into integer. So what is going to be happen? Int, inside the int we are going to write the input function, and inside the input within the double quotes I will write some captions, enter the number or whatever may be. So what is the function of the input? Input is going to be take the input from the user. It may be 1 2 3 4, but it is treated as a text. Now the int function, what it will do? It will convert the input is taken as a string or the character into the numbers. Num2, what I have done? Once again the same thing. I have taken the int function to convert the input is when taken, input has been taken by the input function into the numbers. Num3 is equal to num1 plus num2. You know that one, it is a very easy thing. It is going to accept two numbers from the user and it will going to sum of it. Now here, this is the print function. What it will do? The print function will display the result value of a variable or a string. Print function will going to display the value of a variable or the string. So what will going to happen? I have written print and then I have written num3. So what will going to happen? What will be the value of the num3? It will going to be displayed. Now I am going to show you the output of the program. How to run the program? Go to the run menu, go to the run module. Now it will ask for the number. I have given two numbers. First number I have given, then the second number I have given. Then I want to give the so first number I have given, then I have to give the second number. I have given the second number and then it will going to show you the total of these two numbers. The first number has been given, then the second number has been given, and it will show you the display the total number. Thank you very much.